Would you rather the hardest choice ever? Please don't forget to subscribe channel, like and share the video and comment your best choice. Would you rather always be hot or always be cold? Fly or invisible? Control your mind or control your heart? Be a super rich or be a famous? Always tell truth or always tell lie? Live forever or die in young? Never be stressed or be energized? Live in city or live in village? Always be leader or always be teacher? Always be happy or always be calm? Be a genius or be extremely kind? Happy with friends or happy with family? Live in jungle or live in hills? Control fire or control water? Feed this pizza or feed this dog? Travel in train or travel in airplane? Save this crash or get a gift? Like this video or subscribe this channel. Would you rather use iPhone or use Android? Would you rather dream a pilot or dream a doctor? Like sports shoes or like fancy shoes? Would you rather watching movies or read stories? Would you rather control weather or control time? Never get married or get married? Would you rather always day or always night? Would you rather raw eggs or raw onions? No friend but rich or have friends? Eating chips or eating chocolate? Talk to animal or talk to birds? Would you rather I'm boy or I'm girl? Live underwater or live in space? Give up social media or give up cell phone? Break your nose or lose a tooth? Eat raw eggs or expired milk? Wear a stained t-shirt or wear mismatched shoes? Have a massage room or have hair salon? Would you rather Netflix or Disney? Have a cute puppy or have a chubby cat? Wear a stained t-shirt or wear mismatched shoes? Work in a heat place or work in extremely cold place? Eat this burger or eat these sushis? Own a aquarium or own a zoo? Kiss this tooth or comment on a video. Would you rather find love or find $1 million? Be poor but live in villa or be rich but love in this house? Avocado toast or French toast? Raise earthworms or raise snails? Would you rather teleport or read minds? Jaguar or Aston Martin? Spend one night in haunted house or spend one night in cemetery? Flying buzzing around you or mosquito buzzing around you? Dogs are more playful or cats are more playful? Cheesecake or slice of apple pie? Traveling to Dubai or traveling to Maldives? Only eat sushi or only eat pasta? Would you rather cheese it or goldfish? Would you rather home pool or home gym? Have a snake or have a spider? Orange juice or mango juice? Always a greasy hairs or always a dirty hands? Would you rather AirPods Max or headphones? Be poor but pretty or be rich but ugly? Luxury safari or luxury cruiser? Would you rather intelligent animal or cute animals? Would you rather be blind or be deep? Have a homing pigeon, conservation with parrot? Own a modern villa or own a modern castle? Play with dolphin or play with panda? Be rich or be famous? Spend 5 years in prison or spend 5 years in coma? Or would you rather long hairs dog or short hairs dog? Watch a movie or watch TV series? Have a girlfriend or have a best friend? Have a personal driver or have a personal shopper? Would you rather stay in campground or stay in hotel? Too much sugar in a dish or too much salt in a dish? Use Instagram only or use TikTok only?